Hey y'all, it's the girl you don't know, here to talk about something you hopefully care about. Anime. Y'all wanna watch Chainsaw Man episode 4 with me? Yes. I don't got no hops. If you've seen the last shit, you know what I'm talking about. I don't got nothing to calm me down, but I'm tired, so hopefully that'll be calming enough. This is also not a flattering color, but it's like lip plumping. I don't have large lips. Y'all ready? Oh, fudge. Fudge.
Please forgive my deceit. Since Meowie is safe, you may touch my chest.
Oh yeah! Shit on a stick!
Y'all seeing this shit? It's like a worm with boobs. Oh, so that's his girlfriend, the bat, from the last episode. Damn.
He's a demon.
So obviously, as we've seen, Denji can go crazy, but bro, did you just see what old boy pulled out? What a cool ass fucking character design. What'd he do? Or was it like this? And they have a group.
Hunters form contracts with devils in order to fight against them. The one I was chummy with is the Fox Devil. As per our contract, I feed it part of my body and it lends me its power. Surveillance camera footage caught you and your partner headed out of your patrol area. What's more, a lengthy trail of your blood was found leading to a house we believe the Bat Devil was hiding in. Admit it, the Blood Fiend tried to kill you, didn't she?
And Denji covered for power for tricking him and knocking him over the head, which is solid. Also, Maki, that's his name. He's kind of cute. I hope he's not young, because you know how like anime like people are, like I need that age to be disclosed for me to say that with my full chest.
See? Am I not innocent? Now, since you're aware, kindly remove these. Yes, come in.
I know they keep hitting at that throughout that, but I need to say that he likes her, but so does Denji.
Thank you. Evening, ma'am.
I can't help but notice you seem more flexible these days.
Y'all like his ponytail? I fuck with it, you know what I'm saying? I don't care if it's stiff. I'm loving these lifestyle scenes. So relaxing. Every time I see an anime character smoke a cigarette, I just want to smoke a cigarette so bad.
The hell? Man, let's do house calls.
Well. What a dismal abode you have here.
Last episode, I said that Makima gives mommy energy, and Maki really gives daddy energy, or at least like fatherly energy as the more responsible one. I just love when we get like to the part where we start building a team, everybody starts becoming friends and getting close and building a rapport. I just eat those moments up. Ooh.
We had a deal, did we not? My chest is yours for the fondling. Fondle away. I had no intention of letting you do this at first, but I should repay you.
Do it. Chill.
She's an angel.
In this episode, we defeated the damn leech devil who was the bat devil's girlfriend from the last episode. Then fucking power moved into Maki and Denji's apartment, and we basically saw Maki do a whole bunch of house chores. That was a very relaxing episode. I loved it all. If you want to watch the next one, like me up, subscribe me up, comment me up, and I'll see you then. Bye bye.